Hello students, this is Ioqm 2020 or pre-RMO plus RMO combined examination 2020 solution. Okay, let's see. ABCD is a rectangle. So here is your ABCD, and AB plus BC plus CD equal to 20, and AE we need to do, where E is the midpoint of BC. Okay, so find the area of the triangle. So let AB equal to CD equal to X and AD equal to BC equal to Y. So what we can do, 2x plus y equal to 20 and x square plus y square by 4 equal to 81. So this is the two systems. So we can insert this part. So 20, so we can do y equal to 20 minus 2x and put it inside. So 20 minus 2x whole square by 4 equal to 81. So just let's solve it. So 2x square minus 20x plus 19 equal to 0. X equal to 20 plus minus 400 minus 152 by 4. So obviously x will be cancelled. So x equal to 10 plus minus root 60 by 2, and y equal to 10 minus plus root over only 62. So area is 10 square minus 62 by 2, 38 by 2. Answer is 19 units. So the answer to the question, the area is 19. Next question. Find the number of integral solutions to mod of x minus 2020 whole mod less than 1. Okay, now they are also following the pattern of the question from the given year directly. So 2020 has 2020 they have mentioned. Okay, let's have a look. So the modulus, if we just remove, so minus 5 less than mod x less than 2020 less than 5. So if we just add up 2020 over here, so 2050 less than mod x less than 2025. So mod x has to be greater than 2015. So now from this end we can do this thing, and mod x less than 2025. So from this minus 2025 less x less 2025. So this is 1 and this is 2. So from 1 and 2 we can get, so the common zone is x starts from 2024 dot 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 from plus 2024. So minus 2024 2023. So this will go till 2015 and 2016. Yeah, no problem. Okay, so number of the integer solution is, so this to this is 18 solutions. Next, question number 6. What is the least positive integer by which this whole thing should be multiplied so that the product is a perfect square? So let x equal to 2 to the power 5, 3 to the power 6, 4 cube, 5 cube, and 6 to the power 7. So if everything is in terms of the lowest possible, so 2 to the power 5, 3, 6. So this is also 3. So 2 to the power 6, 5 cube, 2 to the power 7, 3 to the power 7. So this is 2 to the power 18, 3 to the power 13, and 5 cube. So for m to be a perfect square, m to be a perfect square, m should be a multiple of this total. So this total x should be a multiple of, or be multiplied by. So what is being left? So in order to make it a square, so 3 is needed. Then only 2 can common, and 1 5 is missing. So 3 and 5. Then you can do it like 2 to the power 2 you can take common. So in order to make it a square format, so in the power you can take 2 common. Okay, so then 2 to the power 9, 3 to the power 7 and 5 to the power 2. So that is a perfect square, so 15 needs to be multiplied.